Hi everyone, I am Sahar with the NM Home Deals team. So today I wanted to talk about something that we are now offering. So we have partnered with Zillow. Yes, Zillow. They are doing something that's very cool for all of our listings moving forward. So it's called Zillow Showcase. This is something that they're only offering to a few brokers. What's great about this is, millions of people go onto Zillow to see homes every single day. This tool will allow our sellers' listings to be at the top of a lot of people's searches. Not only that, but it's going to offer a very cool floor plan. So it's called a Zillow floor plan. It's an interactive floor plan that allows buyers to really look at your home. Another cool feature that they can do is they can go on and they can stage it on their own. So whether they like more modern furniture or contemporary furniture, it's a really cool feature. So we'll definitely share that link to you guys if you're interested in seeing more. Another great feature that it offers is exclusivity. So again, right, your home is going to get a lot of exposure, a lot of exclusive buyers. So a lot of buyers are going to be seeing your listing over other people's listings. We've noticed that this feature does help sellers sell their home faster than a lot of homes that are just sitting on the market. So if you're interested, again, please feel free to reach out to us. We have some great new tools for our seller clients, and we'd love the opportunity to talk to you about them. Thank you.